Guys, it's me, Amazing JC, and right now I'm not with Texas Mexi and Minion Gamer. They're out. But don't forget to subscribe to us and mostly PewDiePie. And today it's gonna be something about boom bands. Yeah, boom bands. Cool, right? So movements are genetically like things kid created these days, like rubber bands, and many kids do it, even big people. Look, I even made one. This is the loom band I made. If you don't know what a loom band is, just maybe search in YouTube. I'll do a tutorial on how to do it soon. But it's pretty easy though. Not that hard. All you need is rubber bands. That's it. And my cousins, Zexy and Minion Gamer went out, so I'm waiting for them so we can do their Minion Gamers. What do you call it? Friday updates? Yeah, Friday updates, yeah. But don't forget mine, Mondays. So just waiting for them. I hope they come back soon. So right now, let's talk about loom bands. Loom bands got created like mostly 18 something like that. Then they just brought it back to life these days. Like they created it again. So they created it now. Now they created it again. So it's just like they put it back to life. So now they put it back to life. Many people are doing it again. Guess many people doing it, even Philippines, US, everywhere. And please still don't believe Zexy Mexi that we're in the Philippines. We're in US. He's just kidding. He's not crazy, but we're really in US. He just wants to mess with us. Remember the last video? He keeps messing with us, like keeps talking, saying things, yeah. So now loom bands are cool for everybody. And that's it. Uh, I'm just gonna come back later and I'm just gonna wait for Minion Gamer. If he doesn't come back, I'll do it for him. And please subscribe, and I'm gonna make a tutorial on how to make a web show. Bye.